Okay, this is a little snippet of me singing Beyonce, Flaws and All. My voice a little dry. I'm a train wreck in the morning, and I'm up in the afternoon. Oh, every now and then without warning, I can be really mean towards you. I'm a puzzle, yes indeed. Every complex in every way, and all the pieces aren't even in the box, and yet you see the picture clear as day. I don't know why you love me, and that's why I love you. You catch me when I fall, you took me flying.